Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to delete your data on Gmail using your Android device. If you're looking to take control of your data, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're inside, look towards the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, tap on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to a new page where you can see various options related to your account. Now, locate and tap Data and Privacy. Once you're in the Data and Privacy section, scroll down this page until you find the option that says Download or Delete Your Data. Under this heading, tap on Delete Your Data. You might be prompted to verify your identity, so use either your pattern or fingerprint to proceed. This step ensures the security of your account. Now scroll down again. You'll see the option to Delete Account. Tap this option and follow any additional prompts to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your data from Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and take care.